Today's video is about sales tax and discounts when things are on sale. This is not a number in the book, so there's not a lesson number that I can write up there. The two of these ideas have something in common. They're both going to be multiplied by a percent. Sales tax is a percent. When you see something on sale, it'll say 25% off, 30% off. So they both deal with percents. What is different is that sales tax you will be adding. When things are on sale, you're going to be subtracting. Sales tax is the money you have to pay to the city and state that you live in. They tax the things you're buying. When something's on sale, we're paying less than we used to, so we're subtracting. This is going to be a day where you can use your calculators, but you still have to show your work. You have to write down what buttons you're pushing. Let's suppose we have an item that's $19.98, and we have to pay 6% sales tax. Our formula is we're going to take the price and we're going to add it to this answer, price times percent. Here's the work that I want to see on your paper. The price is $19.98 plus parentheses, because I want to make sure I'm doing this first, although if I order of operations, I would do it first anyway. Price times the percent as a decimal. I can't just multiply it by 6, I have to multiply it by 0.06. Remember that you hop backwards 2 times because percents are out of 100, so you go backwards twice, and that becomes 0.06. So when I push buttons with my calculator, I get 1.1988, and I write plus 1998. Push buttons again, 1998 added to that gives me 21.1788, but I need to make this money, so $21.18, because the cents would be 17, but the neighbor is more than 5, so it rounds up to 18. So I go to the store, the ticket says $19.98, the cashier is going to ask me for $21.18 if the city I live in and the state I live in charge 6% tax. Your next question, you're buying an item for $426. The sales tax is 5.25%. What is the equation, the first line, going to look like? It's going to look like 426 plus 426 times 0.0525. Remember, we're hopping twice to the back, so I need 1 0 placeholder. Next line of work is going to say 426 plus the answer when I typed it into the calculator, which is right here. When I add the 426, I get 448.365, 36 cents with a neighbor of 5 rounds up to 37 cents. All right, here's your first question of the video. $72.49, 8.25% sales tax. I only want to know what is going to go on the first line of work. What is your first line going to say? That's all I want you to type in. This is the correct answer. Price plus price times percent. Your next question. What is the next line of work going to say? The next line will be the answer to this plus this. This is what I hope you typed in. The price plus this long number. This is the sales tax. This is what the answer to that math problem is. And now your final thing to type in is final answer after you have rounded. How much money will it be? Use a dollar sign. The final price is $79.05. I had to round. It was 047. I rounded it to 05, $79.05. Now let's talk about discounts. You have an item that is $16.25, but the store is going to discount it 25% off. Our formula says we're going to take the price, and now we're going to subtract the price times the percent. This is the same. The only thing that's different is that there's a subtraction sign because we are not paying 25%. We're getting some money off of our bill. Our first line of work will have the price minus parentheses, the price again, times our percent as a decimal. We're still hopping backwards twice, so I write 0.25. The second line of work is going to say the price minus this answer, which is this number right here, 4.0625. When I push buttons, I get 12.1875. This is either 18 or 19 cents. The neighbor is a 7, so it rounds up. So I am now going to pay $12.19. I'm not paying $16.25 anymore because it's on sale. My new price is $12.19. Your next question, what is the first line going to say? If the price is $19.78 and the store is having a 40% off sale. The first line will say the price minus parentheses, the price times the percent. It's okay if you have an extra zero, you hopped back twice and you said 0.40. It's just that math books and math teachers don't write extra zeros, so I'm just going to say 0.4, but it's still a correct answer if you have a zero. All right, what's the next line going to say? Here's what it says, 99.78 minus 39.912. I write the price, I write a minus sign, and this is the answer to that math problem. Now, what is the final answer? Final, after you round, type in the final price. Final price is $59.87.